Welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. This time around, I'll be showing you how to go about this particular new project. It started just yesterday, and I believe we are very early, which it started on the January 31st of January, which was yesterday, as at the time and moment I'm making this video. So now, what you need to do, the first thing you need to do is just to get the extension for this particular project, which I'll be dropping in. I'll be dropping everything you need in the video description section. So once you enter the extension, the next thing you need to do, you go to the official link for the task. Once you go there, you go here. Once you come here now, you connect the wallet. You create a wallet for this now. It has its wallet separately. It has everything you need to do is separate. You don't need to connect your MetaMask. And I will advise you don't use your MetaMask. Use their wallet because it's a testnet and they designed their own wallet. So there's no I don't advise you to import your wallet. Just use your wallet. So once you do this, after doing this, the next thing I expect you guys to do is come here. You can see the first step is login with your Naoris wallet, which I have done, and install Naoris protocol browser security node. So now you can just click on install. So once you install now, it will take you to where you download extension for their security protocol. They have also a security protocol, as you can see, just like we have for Pocket Vars. So here, click on add to Chrome, add extension. After adding to extension, that means we've done number 2. Let's just give it some time to download. So after it downloads, then you can come back. It's still loading though. So we need to do the task before we can go to the social task, which is, you can see. So this is it. It has been added. It said follow this step. As you can see, it's showing you the steps you need to do. And they said you should add to extension, blah blah blah, pin to. So what we need to do now is just go here, find the protocol browser, the security browser here. Then we'll come here, testnet dashboard. You can just check your testnet dashboard. So I'll be dropping the referral link. Make sure you use the referral code. If not, you might miss out on this particular on any faster points, because if you, or you might not even be able to create the wallet. So just try and use the referral code. So here we just hold on to connect our wallet. You need to connect wallet here. Click on connect wallet. So I'll click on Naoris Chrome extension. Okay, click on start testnet. So you can see wallet is connected now. Then click on start testnet once again. Here it's connected. It said for you to now start earning, you see the option here. Why is it disconnected? Something is wrong. Okay. It's actually okay now. So it shows login with X. So now we need to log in with our Twitter account. That's the third task to do. So you just need to patiently follow everything just so that you can, it's still on beta mode, so testnet mode, so you cannot really expect it to be very perfect. But they just started yesterday, so we are just so early. So we will just be the first set of people that are test running it. We are early supporters, and I'll advise we find a way to check their Discord so that we can get, if there is any role like early adopters or something, so that we can be part of the people that will be getting those particular stuff. So let's just pay attention. So calm down. Let's wait. So you can see it will just load. So you can see it's done. It say follow now use protocol. Now we'll go to follow. Click on proceed. So follow Naoris. Sometimes there is something I need you to always check on projects. When you check, if you go and you can't see their website there, when you see this link tree, it's okay. Let me just leave this discussion for another day. I will be discussing it in some other time. You can see the website is actually even there. Well, let's just go straight. Let's go back to where we are. So here, the claim point has actually been having issues as I had, but we can just give it a trial to see if it will claim. The claim points as I had. So they said all tasks completed. So luckily, points will be added to dashboard. So luckily, the points has been claimed. So which means I believe they must have worked on it and it's working quite well now. So it's a very good one. That means the team is actually very responsive. So and that's why I believe we should take this very serious. So just sign in with your password that you created when you after creating wallet. So as you can see, I've done all this. You have Galaxy Quest, you have Explorer, connect to Explorer, you have different tasks available for you to do. But based on the fact that they just started stuff, you don't so many things are not active yet. So as time goes on, we'll keep checking and checking to see what are the tasks that are available. So guys, something you need to do right now is for you to be active and make sure your wallet is showing connected at all time, and always make sure the tab is always open. The tab you're using for this particular Naoris is always open. Don't close the tab, and that's how you keep mining. You can always check your dashboard at the same time, which is here. Check the dashboard. Sorry, the dashboard is here. This is Naoris dashboard. This is the Naoris wallet rather. This is the wallet itself. See, they have their wallet. This is just like normal Web3 DeFi wallet. This is how it looks like. So here, this is how you see it. I don't know. I believe when your points count, it will be counting as Nauri. So it's possible that once the points start counting, it will be a one ratio one kind of points, because for them to have the wallet already. So I believe and hope that will be the case. So here you can check the dashboard through the other security protocol, which is this. So you can see this is how you check overall earnings 0.0, today's earnings 0.00. That's how you go about it. So here you can turn on protection. So you can you can check you can see after turning on protection, you can see today's earning is already counting now. So you need to turn on protection for you to be active. So as you can see, this is how to go about it. This is how to go about everything, and you can see the token, the node is running. For if you want to know whether the node is running, that's where you always check the dashboard here. You can see it's counting today's earning, and for you to always see what you earn, you can see the way the point is loading. I believe they are not quite perfect with the stuff yet, but just as time goes on, everything should be fine. So to check Testnet dashboard, you can always click here to check your dashboard. So that's how to go about everything. But one last thing I want to show all you guys why you should take this particular project serious. I rarely make much videos on nodes. I have a lot of nodes I'm running, but I make video on few that I believe, yes, this node is very okay and I believe you guys should do it. So this is one of the kind of nodes. So let me show you the reason why I think you all need to take this serious. Come here to check. Once you come here, sorry, you can see the use cases of this project. This is Web3 and Depin, telcos, banking and fintech, healthcare, smart vehicles. That's not even supply chain, space tech. That's not even the most interesting part. So the most interesting part is the partners and the collaborators. You can see the partners and people who collaborate with this project. Naorisprotocol.com. You can see there's T-Mobile, there's IBM, there's Dow Cloud. We have a lot of projects here. Seeing T-Mobile, and having the likes of some other projects, other known projects, Galaxy AI, and some other projects you can see here. I don't think you would want to like fade a project like this. So here, this is also Supra Oracle. We have so many of them. They are also verified by Azure DeFi. Azure DeFi. So that's the project that verified this particular project to be a legit project. So I believe you guys don't want to actually joke with this project. So just try as much as possible to do the as much as you can. So thank you very much for watching the video, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.